Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Mazda BT-50, stock number 6206. This ran from 11th 2006 to the 9th 2011. It has a WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a WEAT 3 litre 4-cylinder diesel turbo engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door no dents, right front guard no dents, right front headlight, right front 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door carve, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,